everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're going to be attempting to tint my brows at home. I've seen quite a few videos on this. Sorry that my skin looks so shiny. I decided to go ahead and do this right after my workout before I go ahead and wash my face, and I wash my face with oil, so that's what this is. And also to protect my eyebrows, I put oil around it so that way we wouldn't get the dye on our skin. So what do you need for this handy dandy project? This particular brand, I think there's really only one brand for men, and it's the mustache and beard. Look, I made the mistake, even though I watched the videos and they told me not to. Get the guy with the beard on it, not the hair, the beard. We want the beard, okay? So I decided to go with M45 dark brown because I don't actually have black hair. I actually have a really dark brown, and I figured you can always go too dark with brown, but if you go too dark with black, total hot mess. So that's what we're gonna be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the directions, mix up the developer, and then we'll apply it. What do you need? Need a timer, an old shirt to cover you against stains, old towels to protect counters against stains, damp paper towel, shampoo. Well, let's go ahead and at least get a damp towel. We can do that. So it does come with its own brush to apply it, but look at this monster. That's gonna cause some damage, so we're not gonna use this. Instead, I decided to grab this, and I also decided to grab just a spoolie because I think that will give me a little bit better coverage. So mixing the developer. What's that look like? Wearing gloves, squeeze, which they provide. For best results, it says to mix with the plastic end, so that's what we're gonna do. Mixing. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what's happening there. So as you can see, it's gotten like a little bit darker, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with it and see what happens. Fingers crossed, guys. All right, guys, I'm really close to you. So as you can see, I'm like not putting on a whole lot right now, because I will probably go into the bathroom and finish this. But I just wanted to show you guys like it's happening. So I'm gonna pause here, and then I'm gonna go back into the bathroom and finish putting the coat on, and then we'll chit chat for the 5 minutes, okay? So see you in a cut. So it says to apply it quickly. I don't know that I did it quickly. Needless to say, it probably took me like 2 minutes to get it on there and then go in with a Q-tip just to make sure that it was fairly even and fairly coated. That being said, we now have like 2-ish minutes to go ahead and kind of like chit chat. I've seen people wait all the way up to 8 minutes, and some people even up to 10 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead with the recommended 5, all right? So while that's happening, let's go ahead and catch up on life, guys. How are we doing? As you can see, doing my hair to keep busy and keep sane. I have been playing around with my nail polish, and I will be changing that up today as well. I've been filming tons and tons of videos, so you guys can expect a lot of content from me. So yeah, what else, guys? So about my brows, I used to have almost a unibrow in high school, and then I fell into the trend of those really thin brows. If I can find a picture, it'll be over here. Like, I mean thin, we was thin. So I was working really hard to grow my eyebrows back out. As you can see, they're a lot thicker. Just the ends though do not get as dark as I want them to, so I did make sure to layer a little bit heavier on the ends of my eyebrows. That being said, I go to Bees. If you are in Detroit area, go to Bees. Love her, woman-owned, black-owned, amazing, amazing. My only complaint, and it's not with her, it's just in general, my eyes, my brows are really sensitive, so when I get waxed, they tend to get really bumpy, red, and irritated, and they kind of break out for like the week after. So I really, really hate that. I am trying to find another alternative. I know she's started to introduce threading, but I'm not sure she's done brows yet, but I'm hoping it will be soon, and as soon as quarantine is over, we will be in there like swimwear, right? So that being said, guys, it's been about 3 minutes, and like I said, it took me about 2 to 3 minutes to apply. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower, wash this off. I'm gonna use some baby shampoo and then go back in with my face oil probably, and we will be back with those results. So see you in a few. So this is a finished product using men's beard dye. Hopefully you guys are loving the brows as much as I am. Some quick lessons learned: you do not need a whole lot. Like, we had all of this left over. I glopped a whole lot in there and I didn't even use all of it. You are gonna wanna use a smaller brush to apply. For me, I probably would have actually gone a little bit lighter on the insides, although I'm kind of loving, kind of hating, can't decide. But I usually have like a bald patch on both sides, and then my ends just are so light. But I am loving how much this turned out for freaking $9 for men. The beard and mustache. Don't get the guy with the hair, get the guy with the beard. And I did, again, the dark brown, because you can always go darker, but you can go too dark, okay? So if you are loving this minimal beauty looks, if you're looking how to do upkeep on the low, on a budget, how to be glowy, dewy, but not have to do the most, subscribe, okay? Because your girl is low-key, okay? When it comes to makeup, if you've seen my other videos, you know I appreciate girls that can do all that. I do, but so if you guys want more beauty videos, easy beauty, natural beauty, hit the like button, because how else will I know to make this content if you don't like it? And if you found this helpful, share. If there are other tips and feedback about using this, leave it below. With that, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will check you next week.